28th already, matlab. So yeah, so these are the munchies. Definitely some bars. And then every time people who've been following me from old, they know this is my routine. Total 6 days plan. So I'll be carrying some 5 tops, I think, on towel, and this bag. That's it. Plan was to start by 6:30. Time is 8:30. I don't have any shame at all. Still I'm recording. I know I should be packing fatapat se. And of course something to read and also read. Yeah. Basically I took a lot of time to arrange this. I know I might be old to packing, but when it comes to motovlogging, this is how I did it. Finally I did this in the morning time. So I have no idea. And gear wise, I'm not wearing any proper riding gear. There are some reasons for that. I'll be talking about it while driving. And this is a normal riding jacket which I bought like 2 years back. That size for my top wear are L, large. But now I lost so much weight because test, but I didn't collect that receipt. Okay, a lot of newcomers might be there in our channel viewing now after that vlog with Mr. Ravi Telugu Traveler. Welcome back to my channel. What is up, people? I hope you are having a great wonderful day. That's how I used to start my vlog, but now, man, I really respect a lot of moto vloggers. In like 10-15 minutes of moto vlogging, I really understood their struggle these many years. I never doubt. First things first, I'll be really genuine about it. I am really very cautious, man. I mean, I'm feeling very conscious because people are staring at me like they are staring at some hot chick. Like literally with my vlogging setup, even I'm not comfortable. I don't know, maybe the first time experience, really amazing. And I was doing a lot of hardbody, a little nervous and stuff. Okay, let's start with the basics. Yes, I did fill my fuel last night. I don't want to put everything in the morning time. I really wanted to start my ride by 8 a.m. That's why I wanted to make sure everything gets done by night, but no, I couldn't sleep. And then I woke up late. I woke up like 7 o'clock, and then I started doing my course, like how to pack a little more stuff and do vlog too. So it fucked me up. I went in search of bungee cords for another half an hour. So that's how it was late. I couldn't start my proper video from the home for proper intro. So here I am on Kanakpura road, and coming to the routes, I will be following the Google Maps. It showed me like a couple of routes, different, but I'm following the same, the most common used way. First Tumkur, and then Chitradurga, and then Shimoga, and then Sharavati Valley, the Jog Falls. My first stop is going to be Jog Falls. First stop in a sense, not like the break, but definitely the overnight stay. Yes, I know that I won't be able to do Goa directly on one stretch, so I really made sure I just need some rest, because after a long time, after an year I'm riding on my bike. You might have seen a lot of vlogs I'm doing on car, but bike after a long time, so I don't want to take any risks, so that is the reason. Okay, chalo, let's go. So let's talk about the ETA. So it is showing me 6 p.m, 6:04 exactly, and 418 kilometers from here. From my home I've come around 8.7 kilometers so far. I started properly at I think 9:50, 9:55 something. Then I've been to emission test. Remember, the Goa cops are very strict, so all you have to do is carry all the documents. So time is 10:15 now. What? So this is nice road. Yes, I do remember it. Okay, they charge 38 bucks for Tumkur Road. Good that I'm at least carrying little cash. At the last moment, my mom gave me this 100 bucks. She told like, okay, well, definitely for safer side. So I use the same 100 bucks in my first cash transaction. That's how moms are, you know. Check this out, the nice road. Yes, it's really nice. It's already a nice road and they are making it more nicer because the road they are actually putting on now is a cement one on the tar one, which will be more crazier. Okay, everything recorded fine. I just checked. Dashboard view is not actually there properly. I think I'll have to put it in a super view mode. Now I'm actually using a 4K 60 FPS and then wide angle. Okay, this is the end of the nice road. Remember one thing, you will have to carry the toll receipt because I will be checking here. Okay, I just got a call from my stay guy. I told him it's gonna be Pakka 6 p.m. And actually, yes, I do see a lot of Instagram followers and also a lot of new subscribers, new comments. I really thank you all. Please do watch old videos, and if you really like those, do subscribe and check out this Coor series, which is really I don't know, I feel it's really worth. I spent so much time on editing, especially the Mandalpatti video. If you observe it carefully, if you just plug in your earphones and watch this Mandalpatti vlog from the beginning to the end without any skipping, you will feel the vibe of that video. I mean, I spent hours, literally 20 hours to edit that video, not for the only editing but also searching the right music for that. I just wanted to give it some you know, some vintage kind of theme to that video, like, you know, going in a 4x4, that too in a crazy Ghats by a local driver. So I really searched a lot for background music of that. So thank you guys, and also do check out my new next videos too. Definitely they're going to be something different than the regular Telugu travel vloggers or Telugu lifestyle creators. I really wanted to give some good you know, cinematic touch to my vlogs. That is the reason why I post only one vlog in a week. I really work on quality rather than quantity, because I do keep watching my vlogs again and again, man. You know, definitely it's my life, so I'm making a documentary of my whole life. I will definitely be seeing those, my past memories. Okay, take it. Okay, let's back to our ride. Thanks a lot, guys. Time's around 12:25. I've did like 164 kilometers. Yes, I did ripped. Okay, thanks Anna. A quick 5-minute break here. First I had a doubt that all about the bags behind because I was ripping, but then I remembered मेरे बाप ने बांधा है, so obviously it's not gonna. Finally, one GoPro is dead and this thing is duped. See, got rust and stuff, that's why it's not working. So I'll have to figure out a way to charge GoPro or phone with this. Finally, I'm gonna put this in my pocket. I don't have any other option now. I don't have a tank bag. Just started my moto vlogging, right? So slowly I'll start investing in this. Okay, the ETA is changed. Changed to 5:47 now. It even went to 5:30, but now because of our break and slowed down, 265 kilometers. That's nothing. So a little story time. Yes, of course, like I said, every present day or every day or everything has a story, background story went on. Basically, actually the plan is to definitely to Goa. It's year end because last year we have been to Goa. In case if you haven't checked 1-year-old vlogs, please do check. Yes, the same plan with the boys, but boys are busy. Maybe one of my friend Mahidar might join in Goa directly. My plan is to directly ride till Sharavati Valley, I mean Jog Falls, and then later you see my itinerary. If I'll tell you, there won't be any plan. So definitely I, as an itinerary planner for all the people, being a travel consultant, how do I planned my itinerary? So check out from the upcoming vlogs. Well, here I am confused. There are two routes it's showing. One is towards Shimoga and the other one is Devanagari. This is NH48, the same one which I am going. But left seems a bit more interesting. It's NH69, so I'll be taking that. Yeah, I'll be taking that Shimoga route. Some greenery is there, a bit more. Let's see. This is it, NH69. So far I traveled on NH48 and no complaints on that. It was really good, and you might have observed that my average speed is around 68 to 70, and this is one way. Fine. I literally also got bored of riding on a 4 or 6 lane. This seems a bit interesting as of now. I do have a history of taking wrong turns. I hope this won't be that. Okay, is this really a wrong turn again? Like after like 5 kilometers I got into this route. No idea how far this is going to be like this. So by bike it's good, car definitely not recommended. I just asked some people who are coming in the opposite direction. They said 3-4 kilometers stuck. The road is like this, so not a big deal. And by the way, look at this side. The hills and the windmills being seen in the camera, but I can see those. Yeah, it's an amazing scenic landscape actually. Not sure whether you guys are able to see that. Well, there's a saying, sometimes wrong turns lead to beautiful destinations. This is one of those. Look at this, man. Even I'm seeing the water are blue actually, because a little arc. It's lovely, it is actually, Now this road is interesting, more interesting. Ooh, so satisfying, right? Oops, yeah. Fuck, look at these, man. Well, this road is called as TH Road, and this is Tuliyar, Tuliyyar town. Yes, it's a cute little town where there's no COVID in towns, Yeah, Sachime, they don't even know there is a COVID. See, did you see any one single person wearing a mask here? No. So I didn't see a single person so far with a mask. At least he is a responsible man. I respect to you. He's on duty and wearing mask. Yes, he's the only man I've seen. Yes, look at this beautiful water body here. Still have about 57 kilometers. Fuel, I will have to find some petrol station now. I also need to find a lunch stop. Time is 2. Is it active? Are they operating? Yes, they are operating. First fuel stop. Petrol is 102 here. In Bangalore city it was 100. It's around 8 liters tank. So with the one full tank I traveled around 254 kilometers. I don't know when I started.
So yes, I mostly do carry at least one week from home. There are a lot of things I forgot. Coming to the riding gear, I actually had a lot of kharcha. Like from past 2 months, I have I've upgraded my laptop, I bought AirPods and then car insurance, bike insurance like that. I had like around 40 to 50k of kharcha in the past 2 months. So in all these commitments already existing ones, I just started out of riding. If I really like doing it, and then definitely I'm going to invest in that. Not now.
Back to the POV or FPP or the GoPro or the dashboard, you call it whatever you want to. Arey? I took a very long break now. No more wasting time. Still road is good. Really very scenic and between the trees. Look at this. The series of trees parallel down to the road. So good, man. Stick on to the left, jog fast towards right. Back to our National Highway 69. Beach mein we took a diversion. We came into some. We drove some state highway 24 something. Again we are back to 69. Do you recall any movie scene by watching this? Someone's calling, man. Who's that? Some unknown number. I am really missing gloves now. It's getting more chillier. Started feeling chills. There's an interceptor for the people who are coming the other side. Lucky me, even though I was going under 80 on here, so no need to worry. Chill. Someone's calling me for like crazily, man. This is some unknown number. I disconnected the call like for twice. This third time they are calling. What the heck? This is like what? Sixth railway track that I'm crossing? Yes. We're almost here. It's another 16 kilometers, 23 minutes ETA. Excited? Well, this is our first hairpin bend. The actual ride started now, properly in the Sharavati, wildlife. Even the temperature is crazy cold here. Ooh. Crazy. Yeah, you are right. We are going down the hill, going into a valley. Look at this sunlight through the trees. Crazy. Okay, I see another hairpin bend on the maps. Whoa, we are actually on time, DK's specialty is like that. Even though DK is late, but always reaches on time. Be there on time. Yes. Ooh, look at this, man. Jog Falls left. Jog Management Authority. Okay, the area name itself is Jog. How you? Oh, fuck! What is this? Oh my god. Look at this place. Well, that actually is an amazing sunset experience I ever had. Really the best. I might have watched a lot of sunsets at the beach and a lot of sunsets at the mountains, but this valley with a water body. Okay, I'm just 6 minutes away from my destination. I mean, the stay. Let me head there. So this is it, Jog Sharavati Valley, the Jog Falls. I wonder how beautiful the waterfalls are. Let's check. Okay, there are family photo shoots going on. Welcome to Jog Falls. I didn't reach the falls yet. Okay, before that only I spend my all the time. No worries, man. I have no regrets actually. I'm sure definitely this is the best valley sunset I've ever had so far. कब तक क्लोज होगा?
30 rupees. Older.
Closing time?
Older. Closing 7 o'clock.
Okay, 30.
Stay करेगा, stay rooms.
Booked. Before the light goes off, I just wanted to have a look at this Jog Falls, of course. Okay, there are properties inside too. I mean, Mayura is a Karnataka. I mean, just like we have Harita hotels in AP Tourism, they have Mayura hotels and resorts. This is Karnataka Tourism. Okay, this is actually a little crowded. Okay, yes, I do see falls. I do see falls. Yes, I do see water. Oh, why haven't I come here yet, man? What the heck? Why did I never visit this place so far? Just parked my bike here. And look at this.
Just look at this. Why haven't I come here before? If this place is this beautiful during December, what about during August and September, monsoon time? By the way, the water, I am not recording it in slow motion. The water itself falling down like that. Exactly opposite to the falls, there is this guest house. I asked him about the rooms and he said that these are meant only for VVIPs. I'm not a VVIP yet, so बाद में we will stay here someday, not now. I don't feel if you are really describing this place as this is meant only for VVIPs. I don't think so. Public should be here. They should be more private. And yes, there is a lot of noise cancellation. Airports has to be used. So a lot of kids here and there running around. ठीक है, चलो, let's go back. Really want to see this jugaad. This is the most disgustiest way to fit a GoPro. I know that. Let's get home. I mean, get to the stay and then get it fixed.
The jungle. Yeah, after crossing that wildlife range.
Where are you?
Huh. Okay, I do have this homestay. No, Dharani. Local experience. Successfully and safely saw people. Well, I did unloaded everything, and you want to check out my craziest stay ever so far. Yes, this is it. These are people near to this job falls, village, a small village, and they have these small guest rooms. And yes, this is it. This is my workspace. This is my cot. This is my wash basin. This is my everything, basically. And yeah, pretty decent washroom, clean. I do have hot water though. Decent for a single person. I just need some bed to lay and copy all my data and figure. And yes, they did give me some coffee, which is really strong. I will do this now. Hi. My hideout. it really is like a hideout, you know. The only regret I have is to carry a spike box. I mean the multiple power plug one. If I have that, because I have a lot of gadgets to charge and stuff. Now I'll have to copy all my data. I have really no idea. 1 hour of GoPro recordings. I don't know, first time I'm doing this motovlog. So now I think I'll have to spend a lot of time to cut short that 1 hour of GoPro data and also the mobile data. I need to vlog again. And one more good thing is it's all homemade food. They asked me what do you want. They have given me some limited options but good home food. Good. Some egg rice, sambar rice, red omelette, Maggi, a lot of options. I do have my kettle and oats too, but I think I will go with the rice. And yes, I just took my food and they are charging $70 for this. First thing, even though you book a 5-star hotel, 3-star, 2-star, first thing I observe being a tourist, into the tourism industry, first thing about is the hospitality. The way people receiving you is the best thing you will get in the whole stay. How they gonna receive you, how gonna pamper you here. I came here, they received me nicely, they gave me good warm blanket, and then they asked me whether I want tea, coffee. Then I ordered coffee and I had, and then they asked me what do you want to have dinner. We also have dinner. They gave multiple options. I selected food is yum. And it's good. It's like I'm staying in my home. Auntie is like my mom. That's what so far so good. And you can check this place. It's a Jog Riverview something. You can directly call the property, and this room will get it for $700. They showed me this place to park. They are telling it's safe. Just listen to that sounds, man. That cricket sounds. This is my stay, where the two ladies are standing, and this is where I park. This particular area is filled with homestays. A lot of rooms. They told me 1200, 1500. Luckily I found one. Nice. It's actually safe. A lot of families. So this is what the scenario is here. Well, aram se car or only park. Why I'm worrying about this bike. The jungle is the most beautiful place when it's dark. I'm just kidding. It's getting creepier, and I actually thought of rushing home and not vlogging, but I'm getting scared. So that is the reason why I'm talking to my camera and then going. Because four-wheelers are there, I don't see any two-wheelers aram se going. This of course is a jungle, man. This is Sharavati Valley, Sharavati Wildlife Sanctuary. Yes, and there are tigers too. Finally I see two-wheeler. Yeah, then it's safe. Cool. I'm just kidding, man. I'm just overacting. You know me, right? I actually came back. GPS misguided me back to the same valley place. So now I'm again heading back to the homestay. I rerouted. It's a little scary only, dude.